welcome back to my channel. I am How To Tech Tips, and I just hit my 1,000th subscriber a few days ago. I just want to thank everyone for subscribing, and I hope that you enjoy my videos, and of course, don't forget to comment and share my videos. Today's video will be about how to password protect a folder on Mac OS. The operating system that I am currently running is, if you want to find out what operating system you are running, you will want to go to the Apple logo and then hit About This Mac. So you can see for me, I'm currently running High Sierra version 10.13.6. I know, it's a bit outdated, but I'll be updating my software very soon. I just need to free up some space. As I'm sure with everybody else, there's always that space issue. I just wanted to say for this tutorial, you can actually use a Mac OS Snow Leopard 10.6, which I believe was released in 2009. It's crazy that it's been already 11 years. Alright, let's jump into this tutorial. So first we'll need to create a folder with all the files that we want to password protect. So here, I'm going to right click and then hit new folder. Here I will write pat stuff, hit enter, and I will put one of my pictures in there and a song. You can name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. For this demonstration, I'm just gonna make it easier for myself. Okay, so next we will want to access the disk utility folder, and how we do that is you can hit any folder. These are my two folders, and you hit application and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will locate the utilities folder, double click, and then you will want to locate disk utility. You can double click that. Do not touch anything on the main screen. You will want to go to File, which is in the top left-hand corner, and hover over New Image. On New Image, you'll see two options: blank image and image from folder. You will want to click the second option, image from folder. So we'll click that. And here, you will want to locate the folder that you made. So my folder's on my desktop, which is really easy for me to find, and it's right here. Highlight it, so just click it once, and then click on choose. From here, you will name whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. So let's do Pat stuff. Tags, doesn't matter. You can pick a color. Where you want the password protected folder to be. So I'm just going to leave it on my desktop. And next is going to be encryption. This is the important part. So you will want to hit the drop down menu and click on 128-bit encryption. And of course it's recommended. So we're going to click that. And here, this is where you put your password in. I'm just going to put any password. And for verify, it will be the exact same password. that you typed in the first section. After you are done, click on Choose. Get rid of that. And on Image Format, if you want to be able to delete files or add new files, which I would recommend, make your life a lot easier, then you can hit Read and Write for image format. If you just want to have those specific files in your folder, so if you just want the 4, so 4 or 5, I have 2, let's just say, if I just want the 2 and that's it, then I would hit Read Only. But for this demonstration, I'm going to hit Read and Write, which I can edit and delete and add and whatever I want. So after that, I will hit Save. Let's start creating. After that, we can see details, and we could just left click on Done. Okay, so we're done with this. We can X that. We can X this. So now you will see that the file is a DMG, which is very specific with Apple. Apple is the only one that uses DMG. You can't use it on Windows or anything like that. So locate your file, and we're going to want to double click. Just make sure that everything works. This will be the password that you typed in. You can hit Remember Password in my keychain. I'm not going to do that. And hit OK. From here, you'll be like, what's going on? Why did nothing happen? It did. It just, on the bottom of your desktop, it'll be like a white little, kind of looks like a CD drive. And from here, I'll bring it up for you guys. You can double click, and there you go. The 2 files that I put in are there. And how you can add and remove here. I'll just add anything. I'll add this, and there you go. You added it. If you X, go back into it, it's there. And what you're going to want to do when you're done adding and removing or accessing whatever file you want, excuse me, you will want to drag it, and you'll see that the garbage can turns into an eject button. You want to hover over and just let it go, and then it'll disappear. And the file is gone. Well, where you can edit and everything. And if you just want to access it again, you can go back into it, look for the little CD drive, and there it is. And that's basically it, and you're done. I should also mention that once you created the file, so the DMG, and you've access to it and everything, you can delete the original file folder, like I will right now. And there you go. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and keep teching on.